Axie Infinity value equivalent to 1080 $19 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 10 between $5 and $725, 11.376. The earlier day close, 10 between 72.91. The change was plus 0.528, plus 142%. Converse rate, as to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.51 coins. Exorbitant costs are 65, while lows are 51. The found the middle value of cost earned 57. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends are 61. Change for June 19.6%. US to Axie expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.61 coins. Excessive costs earned 61, while lows earned 49. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.56. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.52, change for July 14.8%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.52 coins. Excessive costs in 52, while lows are in 42. They arrived at the midpoint of cost at 48. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.45, change for August 13.5%. As to Axie expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive cost 0.45, while lows in 37. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.42. The US to Axie figured toward the month's end 0.39, change for September 13%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.39 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 42, while lows in 36. They found the middle value of cost 0.39. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.39, change for October 0%. US to Axie expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.39 coins. Exorbitant costs in 40, while lows on 35. They found the middle value of cost of 38. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.37, change for November 1%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.37 coins. Exorbitant costs on 40, while lows on 35. They found the middle value of cost at 37. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.37, change for December 0%. US to Axie expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.37 coins. Exorbitant costs are 39, while lows on 34. They found the middle value of cost on 37. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's ends in 36, change for January 7%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 0.36 coins. Exorbitant costs are 37, while lows on 32. They found the middle value of cost on 35. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.35, change for February 8%. US to Axie expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.35 coins. Exorbitant costs on 37, while lows on 32. They found the middle value of cost on 35. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.34, change for spring 9%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.34 coins. Exorbitant costs on 36, while lows on 31. They found the middle value of cost on 34. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends N33, change for April 9%. US to Axie expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 0.33 coins. Excessive costs in 35, while lows in 30. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 33. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.32, change for May 3%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.32 coins. Exorbitant costs 32, while lows on 26. They found the middle value of cost on 30. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.28, change for June 5%. US to Axie expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs on 29, while lows on 25. They found the middle value of cost on 27. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end zone 27, change for July 6%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.27 coins. exorbitant costs N34, while lows N27. They found the middle value of cost 030. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's N032, change for August 18.5%. US to Ax expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 0.32 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.41, while lows N32. They found the middle value of cost 0.36. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's N038, change for September 18.8%. Dollar to Axie infinity gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.38 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.46, while lows on 38. They found the middle value of cost on 41. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.43, change for October 13.2%. US to Ax expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 0.43 coins. Exorbitant costs N55, while lows on 43. They found the middle value of cost 0.48. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's N051, change for November 18.6%. Dollar to Axie infinity gauge for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.51 coins. Exorbitant costs N51, while lows are N41. They found the middle value of cost 0.47. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's N044, change for December 13.7%. US to Ax expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 0.44 coins. Exorbitant costs 44, while lows N35. They found the middle value of cost 0.40. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's N38, change for January 13.6%. Dollar to Axie infinity estimate for February 2026. To start with cost at 0.38 coins. Exorbitant costs 38, while lows N31. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.35. The US to Ax figure toward the month's N033, change for February 13.2%. US to Ax expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 0.33 coins. Excessive costs on 33, while lows on 26. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.30. The US to Ax figure toward the month's N028, change for spring 15.2%. Dollar to Axie infinity figure for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.28 coins. Exorbitant costs are 28, while lows are 23. They found the middle value of cost 0.26. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends on 24, change for April 14.3%. US to Ax expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.24 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.28, while lows on 24. They found the middle value of cost 0.26. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's